gorgeous area. As you can see, there is a waterfall behind me, and that is called Triberg.
Triberg Waterfall or Triberg Wasserfälle is not really Germany's highest waterfall despite the signs and tourist information stating so. It is, on the other hand, Germany's highest waterfall when it comes to accessibility. The highest waterfall in Germany is actually Rutbach Waterfall, which is near Königssee in Upper Bavaria. Triberg Waterfall has multiple cascades and is 163 meters and is landmark in the Black Forest region. Above Triberg, in the midst of Black Forest, the Gotthard River plunges over 7 major steps from a gently undulated high plain into a rocky V-shaped valley.
Unfortunately, you need to wear the mask. It's mandatory. unfortunately we haven't seen any single squirrel, so I guess we're just gonna end up eating the peanuts that we bought for the squirrels. So we walked a lot, and I would say we had a successful sightseeing, and I would really appreciate if you could like and share this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you! Bye for now!